Want is used to express one's desire for something or to do something. Wanted is the past form of want. Examples: I wanted to become a nurse when I was a kid. I wanted to watch a movie last weekend, but I had a headache. I wanted to concentrate on studying, but I was too busy with other things. I wanted to be a pilot when I was young. She wanted to take care of her parents because they were already old. He wanted to visit Korea last year because his friend was there at that time. They wanted to go together as a family, but everyone was too busy. We wanted to start a business when we still had money. Chris wanted to work abroad, but his mother didn't want him to. Mr. Park wanted to negotiate the deal with Mr. Smith. Didn't want. Didn't is a contracted form of did not. Did not or didn't want is the negative past form of want. Examples: I didn't want to go abroad, but my company forced me to. I didn't want to lend her money, but she said she's in dire need of it. I didn't want to hurt my friend, but I already did. She didn't want to take him back because she was deeply hurt. He didn't want to spoil the moment for her, so he just kept quiet. They didn't want to hold a party at home because it's too bothersome. We didn't want to buy another car. Our old car is still in good condition. The scientists didn't want to experiment on humans. Sally didn't want to take her medicines because they were too bitter. Scott and James didn't want to take the law into their own hands.